The film begins with Captain Jack and his girlfriend Rose happily walking together. Behind them, the giant roll is keeping an eye on Rose.
Baby, sit good.
Here, sit down here.
Jack and Rose sit on the side of the road resting and looking at pictures of the two of them.
Ugly. How do you feel?
Suddenly, Roll becomes unusually aggressive, and Jack turns around and threatens him. Doors, scaring Jack.
Bobby, what are you
The
doing?
two get into a scuffle, forcing Rose to step in and break it up.
Bobby. Oh, let's go.
Give me.
Rose and Jack stop to share a goodbye kiss before parting ways.
Bye-bye. Bobby, let's go.
Goodbye.
In a room filled with high-quality weapons next to a briefcase full of money, Jack returns to the base. Suddenly, Jack receives a call realizing he has taken his girlfriend Rose's phone by mistake. He looks over and sees two henchmen sitting nearby.
No.
Jack calls the two henchmen over and assigns them the task of delivering the phone and the briefcase to his girlfriend Rose.
Right.
They quickly leave to complete the mission.
Okay.
A beautiful woman named Lisa is standing by the roadside waiting for someone. The two henchmen carrying the briefcase search for Rose. One of the henchmen notices something and tells his partner. They both look toward Lisa.
Beautiful girl. Hey, come on.
Lisa turns and sees two strangers.
I don't know.
Without asking for her
I knew
identity,
suitcase.
the henchmen hand the briefcase to her.
Huh? For me?
Hey, let go.
One of the henchmen smitten with Lisa gets scolded by his
let go.
partner, and they leave. Lisa stands there amused and puzzled by the briefcase in her hand. From a distant Xicman, the boss rides his motorcycle toward Lisa.
Huh? Here. Huh?
Hey, let go.
So let's.
She walks over to him, hands him the briefcase, and they drive off together. The two henchmen return to report the situation to Jack.
Hey, sir.
จะถ่ายไป
Hey, sir. Yes.
โอเค
Hey, come on.
Xicman and Lisa holding the briefcase return to their base.
Follow me
Hello, sir.
Hi come here
Xicman asks where the briefcase came from, but Lisa has no idea.
Huh? I don't know. Someone give me.
Jack takes out his phone and calls Rose's phone. Xicman hears it ringing and opens the briefcase.
Hello
Xicman answers the call with a mocking tone, and Jack is stunned, unsure who is on
Hello,
the
my
other
friend.
end of the line.
Where are you? I kill you back to me Goodbye.
Xicman doesn't return the briefcase and hangs up, leaving Jack furious. He goes to the henchmen and angrily scolds them for failing the task.
เฮ้ยเซอร์ก็ได้ปืน
You wear the weapons.
เฮ้ยเซอร์ I don't know you
Go get it.
Jack immediately orders the
Yes,
two
sir.
henchmen to retrieve the briefcase. The monkey, not trusting the situation, grabs a weapon and joins them. Xicman, holding the money, is overjoyed and even gives Lisa a stack of cash. Suddenly, one of the henchmen sees two figures in the distance with the briefcase.
Hey look oh yeah that's it
He hands his partner a
Hey,
mask,
take it, come on.
preparing for a fight.
Very good money.
The
Hey,
two
stop.
henchmen arrive at the
Wait
boss's
up,
base and pretend they
I
need to
went to
speak with
see
Xicman.
come here oh yeah thank you
Xicman turns around, sees the two henchmen, and closes the briefcase.
Hey give me
They
some
demand the briefcase back, but the boss refuses to hand it
Get
over.
out.
you are you kick me give me the suitcase come on
Alright, get up.
Jack arrives at the boss's base. A henchman
Hey,
runs
give me the stick,
upstairs,
come on.
sees the confrontation, and fires at the two henchmen, killing one of them. Xicman, seeing his men under attack, grabs a weapon and fires back at the attackers. At this point, the remaining henchman is being viciously attacked by Xicman and his men. Jack rushes in, firing at Xicman's men. The henchman charges forward, shooting and wounding one of Xicman's men. Unfortunately, the remaining henchman is killed by Xicman. Jack, enraged, rushes forward and shoots one of Xicman's men dead.
I'm sorry
Xicman emerges and fires wildly at the monkey. An intense battle ensues. Xicman is severely wounded by Jack's gunfire. Jack approaches the boss and hits him hard.
I don't know.
Despite his injuries, Xicman shows no fear. Jack, still angry, punches him repeatedly. Lisa, watching from outside, steps in to stop Jack and offers to return the briefcase.
Hey, stop! Don't! Forgive him! Money here! Take it!
Wait away.
You take it!
Jack opens the briefcase and checks the contents. Everything is still there, except for one stack of money.
Treat.
Lisa offers to return it, but Jack
Yeah.
declines and leaves.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Lisa rushes
Boss,
to check
you
on
okay?
Xicman, but he snaps at her in anger.
Go with it.
Boss!
Xicman expresses his frustration at losing. Rose and Roll are waiting for Jack to return the phone. Jack quickly runs over and hands Rose the phone, and the two share a loving
For me?
moment. Roll and Jack continue to tease each other.